Did you know that a leaking toilet can cost you hundreds of dollars for a simple fix that you can do yourself in a few minutes? There can be several issues causing your problem. Today we're going to walk you through the steps of figuring out which one is your problem and how to go about fixing it yourself and save you lots of money without having to do a service call to a plumber. These toilets sit here and constantly run, and you barely can hear them, and they're just constantly running. The first indicator that we see is the water is all the way up to the top of the pipe. It's constantly just running over. That's causing my toilet to constantly run. Your first step would be to adjust this, and you can unscrew it counterclockwise. That'll lower your float, which should cut your valve off. But I've adjusted on this one myself, and that does not fix it. My valve is constantly leaking right there, so I know what's going on with my toilet. So my next step would be to either go in here and look at this washer in here and fix it, or just simply put a new flush valve in. But there's also more factors that could cause your toilet to run. Another factor could be your valve down there at the bottom. Let's flush this toilet. And if that flapper right there don't seat all the way and seal, it also causes your toilet to leak. My flapper's not my issue, and I have slack in my chain, so I know that's not my issue. Chains can be too tight, causing this issue also. But mine, I've done the adjustments, checked my flapper, checked my chain, I'm all good. So what I've done is I went to my local Walmart and picked up Universal Flush Valve by Fluidmaster. You can pick this valve up at your local Walmart for, I think I give 10 bucks for it. You know, they're not expensive. Nowhere near them hundreds of dollars that you're going to spend in your water bill that you're not realizing that's happening. And that's just wasted money. So we're going to replace this valve here in just a few minutes, and you'll see it only takes a few seconds. First step's going to be cut your water off. Once we have the water off, we want to flush our toilet. Get all that unwanted water out of there. Then you have a line bottom of your toilet. Plastic fitting on this one. Just simply unscrew it. And you're gonna have a little water leak in here. We have to get us a rag and get it up. But unscrew your line, take it off. Your little valve there, pull it off. And then underneath here, get my camera down here where you can see it. You're gonna have a plastic nut right here. It shouldn't be that tight, but you just loosen it up. I'm gonna have to go get me a wrench for it. Just unscrew this nut all the way off. You should be able to just lift it right up. You have your whole flush valve. Kind of hard to do this in one hand. Got a new one here. Comes with your washer already on it. And you have your nut. This will be all we need for now. You just take your flush valve, put it right back in the hole. And I'm just holding it while I'm tightening it at the bottom. Turn it. You can turn where your water outlet will come over to your pipe. Hold it in place. Tighten it up. Just hand tight. Just good and hand tight. Get that rubber seated. That's all you want. A clip there. We're going to turn it where the water spigot will be to the inside of the pipe. Just slide it down on there. Next we have our hose. We'll slide our hose on there. Careful not to break these little clips off. They ain't gotta be tight, just so it goes on there good. Then we're gonna take our line. Make sure our washer's still in there seated. Screw it right on there. Just hand tight. Don't have to be aggressive with it. Then we'll turn our water back on. Water running in the pipe, filling up. And you want this, most toilets come with a, you can see where it says fill line there, but you want about a ½ inch from this top right here. So just let your toilet fill up. And you can adjust that water level over here by going either clockwise or counterclockwise. If you need more, you go clockwise. If you want less water, you go counterclockwise. Toilets continue to fill up, and she shut off. Just right. About a ½ inch below the fill line. It's not running anymore. Problem solved. A cheap $10 fix will save you hundreds. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe down below, and be sure to comment. Tell me if your toilet is leaking and what you think may be wrong with it. And until next time, God bless.